Imagine building a profitable crypto mining farm from scratch in weeks, not years. No more waiting, no more wondering if you've missed the boat. What if I told you that boat is still at the dock, but it's leaving, right now? This isn't just a dream, it's a rapidly vanishing opportunity. The window for massive beginner-friendly profits in crypto mining is shrinking faster than you think. Why is it vanishing? Halvings, rising competition, and insane technological leaps mean the set it and forget it mining days are over. The high profit margins we saw just a few years ago, they're diminishing by the month. But, and this is crucial, they are not gone. Yet. So why am I here? Because I've built my farms, made the costly mistakes, and cracked the code for today's market. And I'm revealing the exact blueprint to go from zero to generating serious crypto income before this final window slams shut. This is your only ticket. In this video, I'm giving you the foundational pillars of that blueprint. The 2026 starter rig. The exact hardware configuration that balances cost, efficiency, and ROI right now. Not what worked in 2020. The silent killer. How to find and negotiate power rates that make your operation viable. This one step makes or breaks 90% of beginners. Coin selection strategy. It's not just Bitcoin. I'll show you the altcoins with the most potential for miner profitability this cycle. The setup sprint. My week-by-week checklist to go from unboxing to mining. No fluff, just action. This is for the absolute beginner who's tired of watching from the sidelines. For the learner who knows crypto is the future and wants a real, tangible stake in it. This knowledge is your leverage. The market is evolving at lightning speed. What works today might be obsolete in 90 days. Watching this video is step one. Acting on it is what separates the spectators from the builders. This is about capturing value that's on the table for a limited time. This is about building an asset that works for you 24/7, but you have to start now. The choice is yours. Build a legacy, or watch the opportunity fade. Act now or miss out. If you're ready to begin, smash that like button and subscribe. It tells the algorithm this is urgent, valuable info and helps me get this blueprint to more people who need it. Hit the like button and subscribe. Your first action step is in the description below. My free mining blueprint primer PDF. It breaks down the first two pillars we discussed. Download it. Read it tonight. Drop a comment below with the word blueprint if you're committing to taking action this week. I'll be in the comments for the next hour answering your biggest questions. This is your time. I'll see you in the next video, where we dive deep into pillar number one, the 2026 starter rig. Don't be late.